Hello, my name's Cam at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar finished in a Santorini black metallic. This car comes with a 2-litre D200 MHEV engine paired with a Dynamic HSE automatic transmission. The large LED pixel headlights will illuminate the road, giving the driver great visibility. When locked, the door handles and side mirrors will fold in automatically, giving a very sleek look to the car. This car stands on 21-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels, and the very practical 558 litres of boot capacity is perfect for larger luggage items, golf clubs and shopping. There is a retractable parcel shelf if it is needed, and the entire boot can be closed automatically with just the press of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we see the large panoramic sunroof and the two-tone brown and black leather seats. There is a foldable armrest which, when folded down, will reveal 2 exposed cup holders, and all of these seats do have ISOFIX points. There is also a climate control in the back with 2 USB chargers. Stepping into the front, we do see the continuation of the brown leather on the dashboard, and then we see another look at the large sunroof. The seats continue the two-tone look with additional side supports for extra comfort on long journeys, and they are electrically controlled with lumbar support. The beautiful two-tone leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel has many different control options, on the left being the voice control and the controls for the secondary screen, and on the right the cruise control and the heated steering wheel, which is perfect for these approaching winter months. The secondary screen itself has many different display layout options, from driver data to satellite navigation. The main infotainment screen does have satellite navigation as well, with useful shortcuts such as fast food restaurants and nearby fuel stations. This car has Bluetooth and radio with FM and DAB, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are also found here, with varying levels of power to best suit the current conditions. And by pressing the button you can access the rear view parking cameras. Under this compartment we do find a wireless charging pad as well as a charging port, and the automatic transmission stick is perfectly designed to fit comfortably in your hand, gliding through the different options seamlessly. Behind that we find a pair of cup holders, and the fully leather armrest can be lifted up in 2 different stages, revealing a deep storage pocket as well as 2 USB ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used 2023 Land Rover Range Rover Velar. For any more information, please do contact our wonderful sales team now.